How to check MTN Midnight Bundle balance. This video will walk you through the step-by-step procedures involved in checking your MTN Midnight Bundle balance. This is just a 30-second to 1-minute thing. Before we start, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do us a favor by subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Now, to the main part of the video. 1. Dial *138#. 2. Select option 99, which says more. 3. Select option 7, which also says more. 4. Now select option 3, which says check data balance. 5. Your data balance will pop up on your screen and also be sent to you as an SMS. In this SMS, you will find the real balance of your Midnight Bundle. That's everything about checking your Midnight balance with the short code method. Alternatively, you can also use the My MTN app. You have to create an account if you are new. If you already have the app, launch the app and tap on the data balance on your home interface. You will find the balance of all data subscriptions you are on at the moment, including your Midnight Bundle balance. We have added a link to the full article of this guide in the video description. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.